How to improve English listening skills. Improving English listening skills is essential for effective communication and language proficiency. Whether you're a non-native speaker or someone looking to enhance their understanding of the language, there are several strategies that can help you sharpen your English listening skills. One of the most effective ways to improve English listening skills is to expose yourself to the language as much as possible. This can be done by listening to podcasts, watching movies or TV shows in English, or even tuning into English radio stations. By immersing yourself in the language, you become accustomed to the sounds, rhythms, and nuances of English speech, which in turn enhances your listening comprehension. Another useful technique is to practice active listening. This involves focusing your attention on the speaker and making a conscious effort to understand the meaning behind the words. Avoid distractions and try to actively engage with the content being presented. Take notes, summarize what you've heard, or ask yourself questions to ensure you are comprehending the information accurately. This active participation helps train your brain to process and understand spoken English more effectively. Additionally, it's beneficial to listen to a variety of English accents and speakers. English is spoken in different countries and regions around the world, each with its own unique accent and pronunciation. By exposing yourself to different accents, you become more adaptable and better equipped to understand English speakers from diverse backgrounds. You can achieve this by watching movies or TV shows from different English-speaking countries or listening to podcasts with a wide range of hosts and guests. Practicing with audio materials specifically designed for English learners is also a great way to improve listening skills. These resources often include exercises, dialogues, and comprehension questions that allow you to practice understanding spoken English in a structured manner. Many language learning platforms offer such materials, and they can be a valuable tool in honing your listening skills. In addition to passive listening, it's crucial to engage in active conversations and interactions with English speakers. Engaging in conversations not only improves your listening skills but also enhances your overall English language proficiency. Seek opportunities to converse with native English speakers, either through language exchange programs, language learning apps, or joining conversation groups. The more you expose yourself to real-life conversations, the better you become at understanding spoken English in various contexts. Furthermore, taking advantage of technology can greatly aid in improving English listening skills. There are numerous language learning apps and websites available that offer listening exercises and activities. These platforms often provide interactive lessons, audio recordings, and quizzes to help you practice listening comprehension. Utilize these resources to your advantage and incorporate them into your daily language learning routine. Lastly, be patient and consistent in your efforts to improve your English listening skills. Like any other skill, progress takes time. Set realistic goals, be consistent with your practice, and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember that improving your listening skills is a gradual process, and by dedicating time and effort, you will see gradual improvement over time. In conclusion, improving English listening skills is crucial for effective communication and language proficiency. To enhance your listening abilities, expose yourself to the language as much as possible, practice active listening, and engage with a variety of English accents and speakers. Utilize resources specifically designed for English learners, actively participate in conversations, and leverage technology to aid your learning journey. With consistent practice and determination, you will undoubtedly see progress in your English listening skills.